3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock to be exact in our morning. It is out the place. Shades on snow removal. See your mind that look like, you know? As you guys can see, it's more daylight now. Machine a truck out. We do all this, yeah. Now I drive right to mountains, we go walk. So you guys can see what the road looks like. The plow truck may come towards it. So here goes. So this is how the side street actually looks like. I'm gonna plow it. 2 inches of snow. 2 inches, 3 inches, oh, but 9 inches.
Good morning.
Morning. So I'm gonna walk you guys all the way to the mountains and just to give you. It's still snowing. What's the bud? You have a large steamed tea, 2 milk, 4 sugar.
Sorry, what's in it?
2 milk, 4 sugar.
2 milk, 4 sugar?
Yeah. And a simple sausages and a biscuit.
Simple sausage
And a biscuit.
and a biscuit,
Yeah.
yeah?
And a simple bacon and an English muffin.
And a simple bacon English muffin?
Yeah.
You should be a Starbucks girl.
And a
Not so loud.
2 cinnamon raisin bagel, toasted. Yeah. With the rum and garlic cream
Perfect
cheese.
garlic. Where do you go?
And 1 medium triple.
And a medium?
Triple.
Triple. And that's everything?
Yeah.
All right. So that's good? 1952. Hi, Fred. Well, thanks for. Don't be so enthused. Yeah. That's so yeah. So you're going for a call? Yeah. In a minute. What time are you done? 10:30. Sorry. She just wanted to make sure you went through. That's what it is.
So, get the coffee, all the food. Tread back home now. Take a different route. There's a route I found the taxi man. So, a different route we can chop it. See the road. Crawly. Snow still a come down. How that go? So after a storm there must be a calm. Wait on the calm, eh? I got butcher the boy, yeah. Yeah, me bro. Season up the phone, came out the door for me. Open flames. Open flames in the snowstorm, yeah. Burning for the grill, you know? You know. You know that girl. So guys, we're gonna use our chicken before we get the steak. Never stop. Flip the bird out. Flip the bird outside. Be smooth. Ooh. Go far me I come from, know me a fighter. Fighter! That's you. Think you're early in. When we stop being friends, what? When we stop being friends, you're reasonable. Lose some people of your life, you might lose some better, you see. Never question God, man. Think of it for a reason. Never question God, you know? Bird ready, you know? Bird ready. Where's the bird in that? Bird going chill, you know? Yeah. We have moon. No, no. And not the bird that outside pool, see that?
Gangsters ever again. I don't want any of that smoke. So do you want the Crick kill them and burn it down? It was definitely a paid hit. They got it done in general. These like British Columbia got real hitters. They do this shit all over. I mean, as horrific as the situation is, these teams dead until the house burned down. Burning to death is probably one of the worst ways to go. Then they super lacking. He's about to go to bed. Saying the same thing, honey, throw the bonnet through the all over. He is wearing like a fuck's sake. That's crazy. I'll have to blow that. Man, that's crazy. Big Bill saying that getting killed in the bonnet is crazy. RIP. He was saying on News Days for Rumble when he posted himself in Northern Vancouver the other day. He got Rich enemies. RIP said 2 times, but he said to the Glizzy, not sure why he didn't have dogs. When you're isolated, the only thing that will see you will painful, so they will alert you to the threat. They will gradually do what's necessary to protect your life. Okay? So it looks like they got him in his sleep, pushing the pick off to the wild, saying Shorty definitely lined him up with somebody's drink or something, opened the door, said GGG on the house will never be able to professional, he got him in his sleep, burned the house down, got rid of the evidence. Now, I'm going to be really careful about what you do. So basically, Canadian authorities, as we saw in the article, they made it very clear that he was the suspect in numerous homicides all over Canada in multiple provinces. It says, seeing dudes traveling the world enjoying life and going back to that home scene. It's like, that's crazy. You've got to get rich and relocate for real. But it says they'll get you anywhere if they want you bad enough. So, yeah, that's crazy. So, he was apparently getting a lot of money now. As it was mentioned in that article, he had apparently spent like damn near $30,000 on a pair of Jordan Dior's. And this is the video they're referring to when they basically saying it's a throwback to when he spent like $1.5 on some Dior Jordans. And it's an RP to the original Spiller. And then he went for 20 for what? Which if you didn't know is a reference to when THF Bezu, the Chicago gangster, was locked in with the crew THF, very happy families, also close with Lil Durk and OTF. He basically got killed and they said they're going to kill 20 people in revenge for him. So people are actually calling for the same thing to happen with 32. But this is him basically big enough that he spent a lot of money, and this is on Boondog's, I believe this is on Boondog's story, or Boondog's will be at Paris kind of
receipt, Stay Fresh. He bought it from Stay Fresh. He bought it from Stay Fresh. You guys know that's a real place. You know what I'm saying? You know it's real. He went in there with his cash, probably all hundreds. And Jeanette probably just got wet. That's what happened. That's what the fuck happened. See my nigga, young nigga, smart bonnies came in there. Story of what happened was 32 times. He walked into Stay Fresh. He said, listen, I have a video shoot. What's your most expensive shoe? They pulled up the Dior's. Yeah, they probably thought he wasn't gonna buy it because he probably looked like straight up the back or something. Probably looked like who's this little nigga, he looks young, he's not gonna buy it. So much. Probably popped off 100 bands. They thought he wasn't gonna buy it. He put on the shoe, tried it on. Probably too big, probably like a size and a half too big. And he's like, fuck it. Yeah, they're blessed, Crody. They're blessed, you know? And then he bought it. Then he fucking got it back. And he got the sweater. And then you know you have to get this back.